This is the first view in Blender. This is the default cube. We can see there is a light here, there is a camera here. So this is the default viewport, and we can see a gizmo here on the right hand side, and we can move it like this to see different view. There is a zoom in and zoom out is available. Also there is a hand shape is there. We can drag like this. This is the camera view. This is the perspective or orthographic projection. If you click on it, you can see like this. You can switch between orthographic and perspective view. And on the left hand side, what you see is first one is the select box. First, if you want to select this cube, you can just do like this and it is selected. First of all, let me deselect everything. If you select everything with this box, everything is selected. Right click anywhere on the viewport and it will be deselected. If you want to select only the cube, you can select like this. Second, this is a 3D cursor. So if you click anywhere, you can see the 3D cursor. You can click here and move the 3D cursor anywhere you want. The third tool is the move tool. Move tool, if you click on that, you can see when you select a you can drag this default cube in the Z direction, Y direction, and on X direction like this by clicking on the respective arrow. Fourth tool is the rotation tool. Rotate. We can rotate in X axis, Y axis, and also in the Z axis, and there is a general rotation is also available. You can rotate like this. You can rotate like this, and also you can click on the in the Z direction also you can do like this. You can scale this cube in the X, Y and Z direction like this. You can scale along Z direction, Y direction, and also in the X direction. There is a transform tool is available in which all these move tool, rotate tool and the scaling tool, everything is combined. So you can do all the actions at a time by using this transform tool. Next one is annotate. You can just watermark something using this annotate tool. You can mark or you can write just like writing with a pen. You can write using this, and there is a annotation note. This is available. You can click on the minus icon to delete the existing note like this. To add something, you can just draw it and you can add more if you want like this. Next tool is the measure tool. You can mark, you can measure the how many meters are there. You can measure the length and breadth, width, etc. Next one is the add cube. This tool, why it is used is you can just left click and you can make a box like this according to your own wish, how much length you want, how much width you want. Accordingly you can make a box with this. You can make a cone or cylinder, UV sphere, icosphere, everything according to your wish. Without going to the edit mode, you can decide the length of the cube. And in the right hand side, you can see there are so many properties can be changed. This one, the first one is active tool and workspace settings. There are so many settings. There are so many settings we can do in this Blender, and there are so many properties are available. This is the render properties. This is we will discuss about this later. We have so many ways to render this using either using Eevee, Workbench, or Cycles engines. There is an this output properties are available, and we can set our resolution, aspect ratio. We can set the frame rate here, etc. And this is a scene property. This is a layer property. There is a scene properties are available where we can set the camera, background, active clip, everything can be set here. There is a world properties available. We can change the background color here. We have this collection properties here. We will discuss all about this later on another tutorial. There is an object properties tab available. There is a modifier properties. There are a lot of properties. There are a lot of modifiers available in Blender, and we will discuss everything in deep later. This is particle properties, physics properties. We can do a lot of things like force field, collision, clothes, dynamic paint, soft body, fluid, rigid body constraint, etc. There is an object constraint where we can set the camera, and we can make it follow a certain path. There is a lot of what the settings are here. We can do each later. There is a data properties there, and material properties are there. We can set a color for this color and other properties by adding a particular material here. We can set the color of the we can change the color of our cube. And so many views are available here. If we change the color, we cannot see it here. To see that color, we have to go to the material preview mode. There you can see the colors, the changed color, everything. So these are the basic this is a basic overview about this Blender. We have different viewports are available. So that's all we are discussing today. Thank you for watching.